we've got a package in the house, and it's all thanks to Swappie. Today, we're diving into some nostalgia with an unboxing of the classic iPhone XS. We're gonna cover all the essentials. So if you're considering an iPhone XS in 2024, stick around. Quick heads up. This isn't a sponsored review. Let's grab the karambit knife and see what's inside. I opted for the very good condition with a standard battery. Cost me 249 euros, plus a bit for shipping. Alright, let's see what we got here. A nice thank you note for the purchase. A basic clear case for $4. I've ordered this with the phone as I wanted to be on the safe side. And let me tell you this, I think Swappie's packaging is the best in the industry. You will get your phone in this clean-looking white box. Definitely adds to the experience. Now, time to cut through the clear tape on both sides. And here it is in all its beauty. Not too shabby, but right off the bat, I spot this massive scratch on the back glass. But aside from that, it's looking decent. Checking out the front, the screen is almost perfect. Just a few minor scratches. I'm suspecting it might have had a screen replacement because there's no way it looks this good after 5 years. The sides being stainless steel are holding up well. Zooming in for a closer look, everything seems alright. Now, let me give you a quick comparison with my iPhone 15 Pro. Good God, the camera module on that thing is massive. Alright, let's power on this bad boy. And in the meanwhile, let's see what else comes in the box. An original looking lightning cable? Nice touch by Swappie to throw that in. Alright, the phone seems to be up and running fine. But before we dive into setting it up and checking the battery health, let's do the cleaning. Time for a foam party. Followed by a good wipe down with my microfiber cloth. Now, let's move on to setting up Face ID. This phone features first-gen Face ID, which means it requires 2 scans. Anyhow, let's quickly switch up the default wallpaper. You can find the link to my favorite wallpapers on the welcome page of my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going with this Dodge Challenger SRT wallpaper. I love this one, and let me tell you, the OLED display on this phone is still stunning. Even though it's a 6-year-old panel, it looks fantastic. This display used to have 3D touch, which should react to pressure sensitivity. But unfortunately, it appears that feature is no longer functioning. It's highly likely the screen has been replaced, or Apple just switched out 3D touch for haptic touch on models that support it. If any of you still have a working 3D touch on your iPhone XS, drop a comment below. Alright, now let's check the battery health. With the standard battery, Swappie only guarantees it will be above 80%, and the battery health is a solid 93%. That's the best battery health I've ever scored from Swappie. There's no way a 5-year-old phone would naturally rock a 93% battery health on its original battery. Let's connect the XS to my Mac and check the actual age of the battery. Now, here comes the data, and guess what? The battery is the real deal original with just 196 cycles. What's your take on this, guys? Can a phone really be sitting at a solid 93% battery health with the original battery? Okay, with that out of the way, moving on to the fun part. Let's disconnect the phone from my Mac and dive into some gaming. I'm downloading Bully, Minecraft, and GTA San Andreas. These games should really put the 812 Bionic through its paces. While we wait for the downloads, let's see how the Swappie clear case fits on the phone. Nothing fancy, just the cheapest clear case out there, but hey, it might just save the phone from a cracked back glass. Alright, games should be installed and ready to roll. Curious to see how larger games like Minecraft will hold up. The phone has 4 GB of RAM, so Minecraft should be a breeze. Oh, Minecraft just crashed on the first attempt. First time jitters, maybe. Let's give it another shot. Second attempt, and it looks like Minecraft is up and running. The gameplay is alright. The phone's warming up a bit though, but nothing too extreme. Now, for good measure, let's test out Bully and GTA. Bully is running flawlessly. No complaints here. And San Andreas.
Yeah, this hurts me more than it hurts you, brother. Stop harassing me, 5-0.
Well, it's cruising along just fine. Hey, I've never seen this dude around, and he tries to beat me up. Alright, that's it for the games. Alright, time to test the camera. It shoots 4K 60, and I was kinda surprised how well it shoots in the dark. Check out this shot of this BMW in the dark. Looking slick even when captured on the iPhone XS. So, I'm pretty stoked with this device Swappie sent my way. This iPhone XS is a keeper for sure, and I'm absolutely loving it. It's got everything I need, and the app opening speeds on iOS 17 are impressively close to my iPhone 15 Pro, and that's saying something for a phone that's almost 6 years old. I'm actually in the process of trading in my old SE2. So if you're curious about how that goes down with Swappie and how much cash they're throwing my way, make sure to be subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.